Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Thousand Island sauce at home. To start, gather your main ingredients: 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion and 1 hard-boiled egg, also finely minced. Finally, add a dash of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of paprika for that classic flavor. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and the dash of Worcestershire sauce. Use a whisk to thoroughly blend these wet ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and has a consistent color. This forms the creamy base of your Thousand Island dressing, ensuring a perfect foundation for the remaining flavors. Next, it's time to add the key flavor and texture components. Gently fold in your 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish and the 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion. Then, carefully incorporate the finely minced hard-boiled egg into the mixture. Finish by stirring in that pinch of paprika. This step brings all the distinct elements together, creating the signature taste and appearance of Thousand Island sauce. Once everything is mixed, cover your homemade Thousand Island sauce and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a much richer and more delicious dressing. Serve it with salads, sandwiches, or as a dip. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.